Good morning, welcome to Chris Vlog, and today's vlog, it's so exciting day because Marifel graduation ceremony of junior high school. Finally, she's done on the junior high school and next level on next year as a senior high school. And Marifel already there, and I'm already done also preparing myself, and let's see what's happening there later. Let's go!
Let us welcome the love staff of the Philippines bearing our color. Following them are our students AAU. Innocent faculty and staff are distinguished guests, and now the stars of today are candidates for position accompanied by their proud parents.
Congratulations! Waiting for later.
Sabi ko na yung kabandungan ng mama mo prinsip eh.
Ang video?
Once again, let us give a round of applause for our esteemed AAU, NHS faculty and staff, our distinguished guests. We are fortunate to have with us today a representative from the Division Office, Dr. Helen C. Oren, Principal Board. Morning, ma'am. Together with our beautiful and dynamic school principal, after this team.
Isa-isa pamangkaliwan, kami nang hinahanap. Sa buhay, katuyuan, siguro
by the authority vested in me as the representative of Honorable Edgardo Angara, Secretary of Department of Education, through Edwin R. Malibuhok, CISO 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, and having been presented by the Principal, Jerlyn Bihag, and duly certified that they have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Program. I now confirm you junior high school completers of our senior A. Quebranza National High School for the school year 2025-2026. Congratulations! So you will now take your seats.
Privilege to stand before you today as your guest speaker or keynote speaker. Looking out at your brilliant faces, filled with hope and achievement. I am reminded that each of you carries the potential to change.
Ako ang katawhan ng eskwela sa NGO sa Lubot. So ako alam, padayon ko akong shirt na mensahe sa the proud parents. Kasi kining mga awardee ron, magka-increase yung balon sa school year ba kay daghan kayo yung award ron, increase yung taon ng balon. Pero depende na yun na ninyo. Ako alam, sa inyong next school year, senior high na siguro mo, ay padayon lang ninyo ang inyong kinuha sa inyong palandoy.
In 8 balls billiard during the unit meet 2025. First place in 8 balls billiard. Third place in 9 balls billiard during the municipal meet 2025. Vivian L. Baguio, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Scientific Ability National Competition Merit Awardee. Raul B. Asnawan Joshua B. with honors. He will also receive the Scientific Ability National Competition Merit Award. Missy Lin, Youth Educator Excellence Awardee and GSP Provincial Department 2026 participant. Another special recognition for a learner who participated in boxing during the municipal meet and the unit meet. We have Rinaldo Villaplana. Here for the heartfelt message. Now, let us listen to a song that symbolizes our journey onward. Let us all listen to our completers as they sing the moving up song, We Rise Today. Your family and friends, thank you for being part of this ceremony. I am Mr. John Anthony Lumosad, your Master of Ceremonies. God bless everyone.
Okay, before we will have our recessional march, we will first have our photo op for this evening, for this event. Like what are you doing? These are Lauren, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Mag-ibig ka. Nasakto na na inyong mga hair?
Smile!
Sa bangko ang mga pictures. Ayan. Sa bangko. Ayun.
Open gift. Gamit na mo sa grade 11. Senior high school. Yay! Muta. What? That's my girl. Welcome. Congratulations. So, come on, that's, who's that gift? Tita? Tita Cochelle gift.
Oo.
Sana.
This is private.
It's private. Sige, sige.
bra.
Bro. Sige, di na lang. Nice. Like bag. Congratulations, Rian, for graduation for grade 6. So you're moving on grade 7, start of junior high school. So I have a gift for you. See, open.
Thank you!
Style siya ni Ka. Wow.
Thank you.
Pero feel ko din kayo siya ni
Yes. I have my dreams too.
Yeah. A dream bag.